Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina, and y'all, I've got a new lipstick and we gotta try it on. Y'all, this is from Milani. I think this is one of their Color Fetish lipsticks, and it is the Color Petal 320. I haven't even opened it yet. Ooh, let's open it up and see what it looks like. Oh, you have seen these Color Fetish Milani lipsticks everywhere. That's because it is an amazing drugstore lipstick. The formula is so good, everybody wants to get every color, and man, do I wish I could get every color. Right now I just have a few, but I saw Petal on a lot of people and I thought I have to put that on my lips. So let's see what it looks like on my skin. Ooh, look at, oh, it's damaged right out of the bottle, but it is beautiful. Look at that texture. You can just see the beautiful texture on it, and it is such a pretty color. I just gotta put it on. Just gotta put it on. Look at that, y'all. Look at the color payoff. I mean, it goes on so smooth. It is such a creamy formula. Oh my goodness. Yeah, even an amateur can do it. It goes on my top too. Y'all, comment below. Tell me what you think. Have you tried these? What's your favorite color? Do you want to see some more? Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.